Smile in the mirror, do the everything, and you will see the big difference in your life. A very warm good morning to all of you presented here in Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center, taught by Mr. Vikram sir. Today we all are aware that the human resource is a play a significant role in for every country, for any developing country, and human resource is development of any rise income of any amount. So, but due to the pandemic, many human resources affected. So, hi guys, I am Jyoti Priya, your host. Today, I first of all I thank that person who has given me a golden opportunity in front of all of you for improving myself. So, put your hand together for Mr. Vikram sir. And thank you to all of you for coming here and giving your precious time. And today I have a very fantastic and thinkable topic. This name is infectious disease. Nowadays, infectious disease is being spread more and more. Because of that reason, many persons suffering from many types of problems. So today I come with like a bird flu, coronavirus, and TB. That's a disease which is infectious disease. So my first who will tell about her will tell about the infectious new coronavirus. So Sapna Di, she will tell about the new coronavirus. So Sapna Di, are you ready for your topic?
Yes, I am ready.
So let us start.
Hello everyone, meet myself. I am Sapna and I am student of Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center taught by Mr. Vikram sir. Mr. Vikram sir has given me golden opportunity to stand here. So guys, big hand for him. Now I am going to tell about new coronavirus. Yes guys, nowadays new coronavirus is going on and the UK government has found a highly contagious new variant of the virus and that's circulating in Britain and it has same protein but the strain is different and it has more effective 70% compared to old COVID-19 and it has called SARS COVID-2. It is more effective in it is also effective in vaccine and we don't need to fear more because it is not more dangerous but we have to wear a mask and we have to maintain social distance. So guys, please stay home and be safe.
Yes, friend, whatever Sapna Di had told, that is totally right. Nowadays, because of the new coronavirus, many persons are like facing many types of problem. Like they are physically they are not healthy and they are mentally also, because every time we stay in home, and that time we face a many types of problem. And nowadays, because of that reason, because of new coronavirus system, like system, system, system. No, pronounce नहीं हो पा रहा.
System.
Symptoms.
Symptom.
Their symptoms are like a cough and cold, and they're like cough and cold, and they're like a regular like fever, high fever. That's how their symptoms. So like we should maintain distance and wear mask. Now my second play is Sushant Bhaiya. Sushant Bhaiya is tell about the coronavirus. So Sushant Bhaiya, are you ready for your topic?
Yes. Hello guys, good morning to all of you. I am Sushant Kumar from Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center taught by Vikram sir. And today my topic is COVID-19 coronavirus. And guys, do you know what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a very big virus and by the coronavirus we are facing a lots of problem and coronavirus is come from China and China December 2019 and in our India 21st March 2020 we are facing a lots of problem and by the lockdown is run in our India 21 March. So guys, different types of problem is also we are facing a lot, also we are facing in our daily life, like if if anyone want to go in front of school, if anyone want to go to walking here and there, this all types of movement is stopped by the government rules and regulations because different types of problem is come by the coronavirus and coronavirus is a that type of virus. If anyone suffer from coronavirus, then if he faces a lots of problem, like if he live in any home, then that person is spread to all bodies. So guys, and in nowadays we are taking a more and more help by the doctors, and doctors playing a more and more important role like a god. If doctor is not available in our India, in our city, then we never feel happy, then we are never feel healthy, because doctor is a like a god, and in nowadays doctors play a very big role like a god. So, and different types of rule and regulation is also come in front of you, and if you crack the rule, then you facing a lots of problem by the coronavirus. So guys, if you have mask, if you keep any times mask in your mouth, then you are feel healthy, and if you have a more and more immunity power, then you never faces a more and more problems by the corona. You have more and more immunity power in your body, then you never faces a lots of problem by the coronavirus, because that person who have low immunity power, that type of person faces a more and more problems in our daily life, because corona affected on that type of body who have low immunity power. So guys, if you will make an immunity power strong in your body, then you never faces a lots of problem by the coronavirus. And guys, always use a sanitizer, always use a mask in your mouth, and always keep neat and clean. And if you go outside your home, then come back in your home, please use the sanitizer, and then come in your home, and then meet to any friend and any family members, guys. So guys, if you live 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 by the neat and clean space, so if you live in your home after using, guys, if you go outside your home and then come back, first of all guys, after coming in home, you use sanitizer, and use a different types of hand wash. So guys, always leave neat and clean place, and always use sanitizer, and always keep a mask on your mouth. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.
Yes, and whatever Sushant had told, that is totally right. And now we listen that the coronavirus, that time we have fairness is increasing more and more. Like virus is the living and non-living both. Like when virus is a living outside body, then there is a non-living. When virus come in our body, that time they are the living, because we are whatever we are eating, like eating food, milk, that's their vitamin, they are also getting nutrition. By this reason, like virus is very strong. So my third pillar is Priya. She will tell about the bird flu, because bird flu is also increased, is been increased more and more. So Priya, are you ready for your topic?
Yeah.
So let us start.
Well guys, good morning to all of you. I am Priya. Welcome back to Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center taught by Mr. Vikram sir. Yeah guys, in this morning I want to stand here to tell about something, that is bird flu. Yeah friends, we know in this situation bird flu is going on. It is a highly contagious viral disease type of virus which generally affect poultry birds such as chicken, pigeon, cock, pigeon, crow, duck, etc. Bird flu has been reported wild geese in Himachal Pradesh, crow in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and duck in Kerala. In India, no case of bird flu. In India, no case of bird flu in human has been detected so far, according to Union Health Ministry. The Department of Animal Husbandry has reported 25 episodes H5N1. So we don't use and any types of so we don't touch any types of birds, and we don't eat non-veg, because if we eat, then bird flu is also increasing day by day, so we save our life. So thank you.
Yes, and Priya is tell about totally right. Nowadays, bird flu is being increased more and more. There are two types of disease: acute disease and chronic disease. Acute disease means that there is a disease which is like a cough and cold. There is a short time disease, but like chronic disease, that is a long time disease, like a TB, which full form is tuberculosis. My fourth, who will tell? So Ajit Bhai tell about the TB. So big hand for Ajit Bhai.
Hello everyone, welcome you. I am Ajit Kumar and I am explain about TB tuberculosis. What is TB tuberculosis? An infection pulmonary condition in which microbacteria tubercles is called tuberculosis, and latent TB and active TB. latent TB no symptoms show, but treatment necessary. And active TB symptoms show chest pains, heart pains, stomach pain, and fever, fatigue, many types of etc. And transmission. How to transmission? Through microbacteria droplet in which in which through in which uh, through laugh, sneeze, cough, etc. And treatment. No treatment such as treatment certain antibiotics 6 to 9 months, and some medicines, drugs, tablets such as pyrazinamide, pyrazinamide, insupirin, and many types of tablet use, and some medicines, some ayurvedics, just cow urine, because many types of micronutrients in present, and some nutritions such as C plus, omega 3, nectars, many types of present in nutritions, and some uh, prevention, just like wearing mask, and covering mouth, and uh, after that isolation rooms, ventilating BCG, and this type of prevention so protect. And uh, and one by third population of world have latent TB, and active TB symptoms show, and 10% people are active TB, and mainly how to create TB: polluted water, polluted air, polluted food to use, and after that TB so happen. And mainly many types of medicines such as pyrazinamide tablets is antibiotic, antiseptic, anti-allergic, antiviral. Many types of tablet is present, because use antibiotic tablets, and after that destroy the tubercles, and mainly after that many bodies you weak. After that TB is present in our body, and firstly immune system is strong, then TB is not attack. So kindly immune system is strong, then after that use antibiotic, and good for TB patient, such as orange, mango, tomato, nuts, dry fruit, source of excellent vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin O, and many types of nutrition present in such a immunoblend. Immunoblend is immunity of herbs, and two types of mushrooms in available in immunoblend: mytec mushroom and cytec mushroom. And lactoferrin, do you know lactoferrin is the mother of veins, and just you eat immunoblend, then you strong, and immunity is boost up, and more antioxidant. So I can say that this type of nutrition is very important, and immunity is so highly strong.
Yes, friend, that is totally right. Like now, TB is infectious disease. Every person knows infectious disease. First of all, we should know what is infectious disease. Infectious disease is spread by like a protozoa, virus, that sort of thing. Like a cough and cold, TB, that sort of disease is like an infectious disease. And the symptoms are like a cough and cold, that sort of thing. So at last, I want to tell to all of you